Reconstruct your health. 5 habits that actually work. Reconstructing your health doesn't usually happen through sudden changes or extreme routines. For many people, it begins with small habits that are repeated consistently over time. In this video, we'll explore 5 simple habits that may support energy, balance, and overall well-being in a realistic and sustainable way. This isn't about chasing quick results or following strict rules. It's about habits that can fit into everyday life and feel manageable long-term. While everyone's experience is different, these habits are often linked to improved daily energy, focus, and overall balance. Small actions may not feel powerful in the moment, but repetition is what often creates meaningful change over time. Let's start with the first habit. Many people focus on how many hours they sleep, but sleep timing may be just as important. Going to bed and waking up at similar times can help the body follow a more predictable rhythm. Irregular sleep schedules are often linked to low energy, difficulty focusing, and inconsistent daily performance. The body operates on internal rhythms that respond to light, darkness, and routine. Consistent sleep timing helps the body anticipate rest and recovery. A consistent wake-up time can be more important than a strict bedtime. Keeping a similar schedule on weekends may help reduce energy swings during the week. Sleep supports physical and mental recovery, not just rest. Occasional late nights happen. What matters most is returning to consistency. Flexible consistency is often more sustainable than rigid rules. Daily movement doesn't need to be intense to be effective. For many people, light and consistent movement is easier to maintain long-term. Even short movement sessions may help support circulation and mobility. Regular movement helps keep joints active and comfortable. Consistency often matters more than intensity when building habits. Choose activities that feel approachable and enjoyable. Small amounts of movement can accumulate over time. Integrating movement into daily routines often makes it easier to maintain. Sustainability matters more than perfection. Nutrition doesn't have to be complicated to be supportive. Simple meals are often easier to maintain consistently. Focusing on food quality may support steady energy levels. Whole foods are commonly linked to more stable daily energy. Whole food balanced meals help support overall nutrition without complexity. Hydration also plays a role in how the body functions throughout the day. Regular meals may help avoid sudden energy dips. Consistency matters more than eating perfectly. Simple nutrition habits are often easier to sustain. Stress is a normal part of life, but managing it consistently may support overall well-being. Ongoing stress is often linked to fatigue and reduced focus. Small calming habits can help counter daily stress. These habits don't require long sessions. Short moments of calm may still be beneficial. Consistency helps build emotional resilience. Managing stress supports the body's recovery process. Different strategies work for different people. Small calming habits accumulate over time. Consistency is what ties all habits together. Health improvements often happen slowly. Missing a day doesn't undo progress. Returning calmly is part of consistency. Small steps build momentum. Direction matters more than pace. Everyone's journey looks different. Sustainable habits are easier to maintain. Long-term thinking supports long-term results. Reconstructing health is a gradual process. Simple habits repeated daily often create lasting change. Choose habits that fit your lifestyle. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing for more simple, faceless wellness content designed to support long-term vitality.